even thrown that explosive over there.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala yang scam ban persya iki brio ki Jingkhanglad iki project na Surok Western Bypass sakabau sembut menterang ba uba Preston Tingsong ulapan pau ba onam ailat ya kenu ke jingpen slam. Ula kadau ba ki jing ken at ki dang yai beteng wat hadian bala dep siu ya ka bailut kesan. Hakaba ki lami syu ki nong dawa ki bethamai. Uba Preston Tingsong ula banjur ba on sapenbet ya ki jing hende ya ki jing siu on ai tat hadian bala penshisha ya ke jinglong try bala dep ban IT ya ki jaka.
Yes, I would like to inform all of you that few stretches we have challenges, no doubt with it. Some of them sometimes after payment made by the district collector, again the other so-called landowner they claim, these kind of things are there. But as per law, we will process those grievances, those petitions made by everybody. Doing that, we have already made it very, very clearly. See, as long as your ownership issue is not resolved, payment will not be made.